She is allergic to cats. Hello viewers, how are you? Welcome to the English Quizly channel, your go-to destination for exciting English grammar quizzes. Today we are going to see how good is your English grammar. Answer these fun questions to find out. But before that, don't forget to subscribe to our channel to play more fun quizzes. Alright, let's play the quiz. He is fond of playing the guitar. I am excited about our vacation next week. The book is lying on the table. We arrived at the airport just in time. She apologized for her mistake. The cat jumped over the fence. I am not familiar with this area. The movie starts at 7 p.m. I am interested in learning Spanish. They live in a small house. She is good at maths. The keys are in the drawer. He was arrested on suspicion of theft. We need to talk on the phone. The restaurant is famous for its seafood. She always dreamed of becoming an astronaut. The cat is hiding under the bed. I can't believe you are on me. I am looking forward to the weekend. He is famous for his talent. The ball rolled down the street. We are proud of your achievements. I am not accustomed to spicy food. The movie ended with a surprising twist. She has a fear of snakes. We are going on a road trip next week. The book is on the shelf. He is not capable of lying. The plane flew over the mountains. They argued over the phone for hours. She is allergic to seafood. The concert is scheduled for 8 p.m. He is responsible for the project. I have a meeting on Monday. The flowers are blooming in the garden. She is angry at her brother's behavior. They are running out of time. The cat is sleeping on the couch. He excels in his studies. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please like it, share it, and post your marks in the comment section. And if you want to see more videos like this, please subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss any new video.